So in terms of the investment migration space, which jurisdictions are popular? So like if you had to call out 5 jurisdictions that you see renewed interest post-COVID, what would those 5 be?
That's a good question. I believe that it will be basically on the top of the charts will be Malta and Portugal. It is just basically they are quite top of the charts on our ranks. Austria's destination, which is very interesting as well. And then obviously you have all the Caribbean plus Spain in Europe, which makes very interesting combinations on this part of the world. So at the end of the day, what we are seeing is clients are diversifying, not only in one single jurisdictions, but normally right now, since quite some time, they're getting basically 1 or 2 options, a Caribbean passport plus a European residency, or just directly normally, a European passport, a Maltese citizenship, plus residency somewhere in Southeast Asia, Malaysia, or basically around that area, just in case. Also, Latin America is quite interesting from that sake, because at the end of the day, and given, the pandemic, the Russian-Ukraine war, etc., clients are looking to diversify at the end of the day, their geopolitical insurances, what an investment migration plan is. So if anything happens in Europe, where I can go? I can go to Central America, to South America, where I go, which is safe, and I don't have to rely on a 3-month visa. That is something that certainly we are looking at clients doing indeed.
Okay, so you called out above the rest Europe and the Caribbean, right? Isn't that the same as it was before COVID? I mean, it was always really about the Caribbean passports and golden visas in Europe, right? Or is there like a nuance? Is there something different now post COVID?
So I mean, what we are seeing it is, I would say, still a very quite amount of interest in what is Europe. Portugal remains top of the chart as it was before.
Yeah.
I would say that with the pandemic, which is something very interesting that happened here in Spain, it is a very push on the Spanish option. Not necessarily for clients interested to move into Spain, but to have as a plan B, because of the different options that you have. At the end of the day, in Spain, you can invest not only in real estate, but also you can invest 1 million euros in a structured deposit or investment funds, which are registered here in Spain. So it makes the diversifying financial portfolio much more simpler and easier and very, very straightforward. So that is certainly something that we are seeing in terms of Spain, in terms of those nuances. Just basically, obviously, then the ultimate solution, as we would like to call it, it is Malta citizenship. But obviously, it has a longer process. It has a very strict due diligence, very compliant procedures. So there's something always there for the right person, the right time.
Okay.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.